The pros and cons between internal data versus external data. Welcome back to our video series on data-driven marketing strategies. In today's episode, we will explore successful examples of utilizing internal and external data in marketing. We will examine the advantages and disadvantages of each principle while highlighting real-life instances of companies that have successfully incorporated these methodologies. Internal data. Internal data refers to the information that a company collects and generates through its own operations and processes. Let's first look at the benefits of leveraging internal data in marketing. Benefit 1. Deep customer insights. By analyzing internal data such as customer demographics, purchase history, and feedback, companies can enhance their understanding of their target audience and gain valuable insights. This helps in tailoring marketing efforts to specific customer segments, resulting in more effective campaigns and increased customer engagement. For example, Company A uses its internal data to segment its customer base by age, location, and purchasing behavior. With this capability, they can effortlessly develop tailored marketing initiatives that effectively communicate with every customer group, leading to increased conversion rates and heightened customer satisfaction. Another successful example is Company B, which analyzes its customers' past purchases and browsing behavior. By utilizing this internal data, they can offer personalized product recommendations tailored to each customer, enhancing their shopping experience and ultimately driving customer loyalty. Benefit 2. Real-time decision-making. Internal data enables companies to make quick decisions based on real-time information. Businesses can align their marketing efforts with market trends, dynamics, and customer feedback by monitoring customer habits, preferences, and responses in real time. Company C monitors its internal sales and marketing data in real time. This enables them to quickly identify emerging customer trends and adjust their marketing strategies accordingly. By leveraging internal data for real-time decision-making, they stay ahead of the competition and maximize their marketing effectiveness. While there are many benefits to utilizing internal data, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks as well. Drawback 1. Limited perspective. Although internal data is valuable for understanding a company's operations and customer base, it is important to note that it may not provide a comprehensive view of market trends, competitor strategies, and external factors that affect the industry. Company D relied solely on internal data for its marketing decisions. However, they failed to consider external market trends and competitor strategies. As a result, they missed out on potential opportunities and struggled to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving market. Drawback 2. Bias and data quality. Internal data can be subject to bias and may not always represent an accurate picture of the market. Data quality issues, such as incomplete or outdated information, can impact the reliability of insights derived from internal data. Company E has made the insightful realization that the internal feedback data it possesses has been adversely affected by bias. This bias, in turn, has emerged as a result of the underrepresentation of crucial customer segments within the data. As a result, the insights obtained were distorted and the marketing strategies employed yielded little to no results. To overcome this challenge, they started combining their internal data with external market research reports for a more comprehensive view. External data. Now let's turn our attention to external data information sourced from outside the company. Here are the benefits of leveraging external data in marketing. Benefit 1. Comprehensive market insights. Utilizing external data provides businesses with an extensive array of sources and up-to-the-minute information, enabling them to gain a deeper understanding of the ever-changing competitive landscape, emerging market trends, dynamic customer behaviors, and their target audience. Company F regularly invests in external market research reports to gain comprehensive insights into their industry, competitors, and emerging trends. By leveraging this external data, they can make informed decisions about their marketing strategies and stay ahead of market dynamics. Company G analyzes social media data to understand customer sentiment towards their brand and products. They monitor mentions, comments, and reviews on different platforms to gauge public opinion. This external data helps them refine their messaging, improve customer experiences, and build a positive brand reputation. Benefit 2. Real-time market monitoring. External data sources provide real-time information that enables businesses to monitor market trends, competitor activities, and customer preferences promptly. This empowers them to make agile and informed marketing decisions. Company H analyzes online search queries related to their industry to identify emerging trends. Understanding what potential customers are searching for allows businesses to tailor their marketing strategies and maintain a competitive edge. Company I regularly access industry reports, gathering insights into competitor strategies and market dynamics. By staying up to date with external data, they can fine-tune their marketing efforts, differentiate themselves from competitors, and seize new opportunities. While there are numerous benefits to utilizing external data, it's important to be aware of potential drawbacks as well. Drawback 1. Data reliability. External data may come from various sources with varying degrees of reliability. It's essential to carefully evaluate the quality and credibility of external data sources to ensure accurate insights. Company J encountered challenges when relying solely on external social media data for customer sentiment analysis. They discovered that some sources were unreliable or biased. To overcome this issue, they started cross-referencing multiple external sources and conducting their own surveys for more reliable insights. Drawback 2. Limited access. Accessing high-quality external data sources often comes at a cost. Accessing valuable external data can be a major challenge for smaller businesses with limited resources. This is primarily because they often require subscriptions or partnerships with external providers. Accessing industry reports and specialized datasets is crucial for the growth and success of businesses, but it can become challenging for them to do so. The budget constraints of a small business pose challenges in gaining access to expensive industry reports. Nevertheless, they managed to discover alternative solutions by harnessing free government data that is accessible to the public, and actively engaging with online communities that consist of industry experts who generously exchange invaluable knowledge and insights. Conclusion. Both internal and external data play vital roles in shaping successful marketing strategies. Leveraging internal data provides deep customer insights and enables real-time decision-making. On the other hand, external data offers comprehensive market insights and real-time monitoring capabilities. By combining both types of data, businesses can gain a holistic view of their operations, customers, competitors, and market trends. This empowers them to make informed decisions, optimize marketing strategies, stay ahead of the competition, and drive business growth. Thank you for watching today's episode on successful examples of utilizing internal and external data in marketing. We hope you gained valuable insights into how businesses can leverage these principles for data-driven decision-making. See you next time.